Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to start new lesson of your Mall Science book. The name of the lesson is The Missing Goodbye. Children, no matter how many successes we achieve in life, if we are not humble, then all are useless. This quality of humility makes us dear among people. And children, this lesson, The Missing Goodbye, is a story of such humble person named John Matthew. So let us read his story first. Okay? John Matthew worked at a meat distribution factory. He joined as a young technical worker, but over the years, through his hard work and dedication, he rose to the position of the chief manager. Children, John Matthew was very simple man, and he joined in a factory as a simple technical worker. Technical means one who knows about the machine or deals with the machine. Okay, but his dedication and hard work took him to the position of the chief manager. One day, when he finished his work, he went into the meat cold room to inspect something. Children, inspect means to look closely. किसी चीज को वो देखने के लिए गया होगा, है ना? Suddenly, the door closed and he was locked inside with no help in the sight. Although he screamed and knocked with all his might, yet his cries went unheard as no one could hear him outside. Children, when he went to inspect the cold room, the door was suddenly locked. So he screamed. He screamed means shouted. He knocked, but nobody was there to hear him because most of the worker had gone. 5 hours later, when Juan was on the verge of death means border of death, means he was struggling for 5 years, but nobody listened him. So he was on the verge of death. The security guard of the factory opened the door and saved Juan's life. Juan then asked the security guard how he got to open the door, as it was not part of his work routine. Children, as you all know, guard always stand outside the factory. His work is to see who is coming inside the factory and who is going outside the factory. That's why John Matthew asked him कि this was not part of your work, but you come here and saved my life. The guard smiled and explained, I have been working in this factory for 35 years. Hundreds of workers come in and out of the factory every day. I have seen many people rise to high position here. You have also been working here for almost 20 years and have risen to a high position. But you are the only one who greets me in the morning and says goodbye to me every night when leaving after working hours. Means among hundred of workers, only Juan Matthew greets that guard. So the guard was missing that wish, okay, or missing that greet. Your humbleness touches me, he continued. Other treats me as if I am invisible. The guard said, you are the only one among hundred of workers who greets me, and the rest, they do not recognize me. They treat me as if I am invisible. Invisible मतलब है ही नहीं guard, कोई है ही नहीं, okay? Warming the man with a hug, the guard continued. Today, like any other day, you greeted me in the morning with a pleasant hello. But curiously, after working hours today, I observed that I have not heard your bye. See you tomorrow. Hence, I decided to check around the factory. With a warm smile on his face, the guard said, I look forward to your greetings every day. By not hearing your goodbye today, I knew something had happened. Very often in life, we do not treat others or treat them well because we think too highly about ourselves. चिल्ड्रन, लाइफ में भी ऐसा ही होता है कि हम किसी को ग्रीट और अच्छी तरीके से ट्रीट नहीं करते. क्यों? क्योंकि हम सोचते हैं हम बहुत बड़े हैं. Sometimes we wait for others to approach us and do not connect with them because we are engrossed in self pride. और कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि हम किसी को भी अप्रोच नहीं करते, हम कोई इनिशिएटिव नहीं लेते, है ना. ऐसा इसलिए होता है क्योंकि हम अपने आप को बड़ा समझते हैं. हम सोचते हैं हम अगर इनिशिएटिव लेंगे, हम उसको ग्रीट करेंगे उस छोटे से आदमी को, तो हम छोटे हो जाएंगे. दिस थिंकिंग इज नॉट गुड थिंकिंग. Humble people are warm towards others and make every person they meet feel great, just like Juan Matthews. So children, this was the story, The Missing Goodbye. Children, no matter how successful we are in our life, we should not leave our polite behavior and humble nature. As you saw in this story, Juan Matthew reached the position of chief manager due to his hard work. Despite being a chief manager, he was not proud of anything. He always greeted the guard while coming and going to the factory. Children, we can make a place in the heart of others only by our humble behavior. Juan Matthew's humble behavior saved his life. So, dear children, we should always remain humble in our life and not boast about our success. हमें कभी अपनी सक्सेस का घमंड नहीं करना चाहिए. This is the reason why Juan Matthew was identified by the guard in the crowd of hundred of people. Okay? So let us hope that you all have understood the moral of this story. You should not lose your humble and polite behavior. Children, so read this lesson. Learn the meaning of difficult words. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day.